Okay, how to create an infinite loop, with Python. I'm just experimenting for a traffic bot. So I'm doing the basics here. So on the left side here, I've got a module. On the right side, a new file with some script in. So hashtag define a variable I equals 5. Run this loop while I is less than 15. So while I, and I've got a less than sign, 15. So print a message, print hello world. So it'll print that, and it will continue to print that while I is less than 15. So this very basic loop, but let's see how it works. Running the module, and that will continue and continue. So how do I come out of this? Is it Control and C? Control and C, and creates, as you can see, keyboard interrupt. So if you're just after something very basic, here you are. Here's some code. I'm gonna need, I think, something else actually for what I'm doing with a traffic bot, who I've been practicing all week, trying different things, and it's not that easy. But that's some very basic code there for an infinite loop.